Elections will be held only once in 5 years, and there will be more time for the political leaders to develop our country. Second reason that it plays in the development of a country, as political leaders will be more focused and they will be more responsible to implement long-term policies. As every time what happens, political leaders make short-term policies. They will give you this much free, they will give you this much free. They see the interest of the voters, voters give them vote. Then they move to the next election, 4 to 5 months again they make this short-term.
There is also the fact that you have stated that election expenditures will be reduced. Do you think saving a sum of money that is less than 0.5% of our economy is more important to you than saving the very foundations of our democracy? Moving swiftly on, the federal structure in our country is a delicate balance between the state and the center legislation. I think because of one nation, one election, this balance will get disturbed as the national policies will unnecessarily overshadow the regional policies, thus disempowering the common man. They do it for their own interest, and every 5 years, just before the elections, they'll start doing something for the welfare of the country instead of every 6 months that they are pressured because of the election.
Then you were saying that only before a few months they will start doing something for the country. Then people also know that they have not done in the time span of 5 years. They will not catch the votes, and the next 5 years will govern the country.
This is not how the government works in India, Jaineel.
From the Lok Sabha to the state assemblies and the local bodies at one go simultaneously. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has formed a committee on 2nd September 2023 to check the viability of this concept. It has both benefits and disadvantages, but in my opinion, this idea should not be implemented due to varied reasons, such as holding such mega elections in such complex and diverse country like India would be very complicated, and we have shortage of polling machines, which would, when simultaneous polls would be there, it would require more voting machines and voter verifiable paper audit trail machines. Secondly, 5 articles in the Constitution, the Representation People Act of 1950 and 1951 needs to be amended for this, which would be a time-consuming process, and every state needs to agree with that, which is but naturally a difficult task.
So for that, you see, 20 years.
28.
So the thing here, so for that, if they agree, if this law passes, they are agreeing to cut short their law. So I don't think this is even a problem. If they are able to, if we are able to pass this law, then they are agreeing that we are ready to cut short.